Today I'm going to show you how to connect the SeceuroSense Wireless Keypad to the SeceuroSense Plus. So to program the SeceuroSense Wireless Keypad, to get into the programming mode you have to press the stop button 5 times and hold. Once you hear the beep, you let go, you press the stop twice and hold. As you're holding it, put in your code and then hold the 1. You'll hear an intermittent beep and now the programming is complete. So you can now enter your code and then you'll also have 1 for up and 3 for down.